Additional pieces that we have in our collection is a third eye clear quartz crystal and two concave, what we call thumb stones in clear quartz. And you use those, they have a narrow end and a thicker end. And I use those to place right on the eye area to cover up her eyes. Now, if the client has very long lashes or feels uncomfortable with this, then you only want to leave them here for a few seconds and then remove them. However, if your client can take this and this feels nice and okay to her, then you can leave them there throughout part of the facial. Two other pieces that I have here are smaller wands, and they're actually cut and designed specifically for reflexology work on the face or on the feet, or really anywhere else on the body, but most prominently the facial part. And you have a thicker end and a smaller end. And the smaller end is very good for points and small movements that you'll do with your facial. Remember, if the stone is doing its energy work, you do not need to apply very much pressure. You can also use the thicker ends in more delicate areas, like at the temple, or up on her scalp. We also have a movement that we can make, like we're drawing lines down the side of the scalp as well, just like the comb, but you do all of these in slow repetition.